I'll never catch him while I'm this small. Curious butterflies.
You mean bread and butterflies?
Oh, yes, of course.
Happy Friday. Good morning, y'all. So I'm gonna take you guys through a day in the life with me. Part of being a part of a day in the life with me means that I have no idea what I'm about to do today. All I know is we start with coffee. We start by taking the dog out and getting him food, and then we just kind of jump into it and hope for the best. So I do know that the first thing I have to do is answer some emails. I had some brands reach out to me offering me 10% of what I charge for videos, so I'm gonna have to tactfully answer some emails, apply for some jobs, because unfortunately your girl might have to get a 9-to-5 again because I think it's obvious why it would be, because I need more bread. How do I look? Okay, a couple things. So for the last couple weeks, I've had my hair in blowout for stretched and protective type reasons, and honestly, it's really easy to maintain. Oh, that's not what we were talking about. I just went off. But for the last couple weeks, I've been getting dressed before I sit down at my desk, and it's really been helping my productivity, I feel like, because I am looking cute and feeling good. I actually get more stuff done, which is weird because I honestly thought that was bogus. I truly thought that people were just trying to be cute and make content, but it actually doesn't work. So I am going to do my skincare, get my toothbrush, and get in the shower, do some of my hair, get dressed, and then we're gonna start on some admin tasks. It's like 9 o'clock too, by the way. So yeah, let's get moving. Lord. Hey, Floof. Hey. Hi. Oh, look at this cutie. Look at this cutie. Cutie. Oh. He's gonna follow me pretty much everywhere. Ooh. Literally follows me so close sometimes. Oh! He follows me so close sometimes that he ends up stepping on the backs of my feet. Just grabbing my tripod so y'all can get ready with me. This is my setup for what is it called? For all of my non-toxic cleaning supplies. This is how I video for that and take Pinterest pictures and all that stuff. So, do you love me? Do you love me? Every day, guys. I have to ask him every day. It's like I'm confident in my relationship with my man, but I'm not confident in my relationship with my dog. What you scared for? What you scared for, little nigga? Come on. What's that? Oh, Lord. We're working on the sunroom, okay? It's a work in progress. It's like every weekend we start clearing stuff out. Don't judge us. Hey, baby. Hey, happy bookie. Another stretch. Surprise, surprise. Oh. I'm gonna take this time to manifest the life of my dreams. Yeah. After this, what you doing? I'm gonna get in the shower and actually get ready like I said it was, and then answer those emails that I said I was gonna do. Yeah. And then we might go on a bike ride later. I don't know. We'll see. I should go to the beauty supply too. Ugh, wait, stop, I'm sorry. I went to the beauty supply 2 days ago and made like 2 different TikToks. I'm like all proud of myself, like yes, got a new product to try, got some new cute little beads. I just thought of like this really cute style that I wanted to do, and I forgot the sole thing that I was going there for, which was flexi rods. So I've got to go back, and I really got to stop wearing my hair in a blowout. I think it's time. I mean, it's literally been 3 weeks, so right. I'm out. golden birthday. Be 27, not July 27th. I'm gonna get some dishes done and clean up a little bit so we can get ready and go on a bike ride. We're about to ride up Lakeshore Drive. So yeah, not much of like an exciting update, but that's what's happening. This is the end of the video. I hope y'all enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching. I'm Naturally Sage. Make sure that you guys are subscribed so you don't miss any natural hair content and apparently vlog content now. I don't know why. This is the motion that I keep doing. It's just happening. I have not, what's the word? I've not planned to keep doing this. It just keeps happening.
What aren't you planning to do, boo?
This. I keep going.
How fine you are?
I didn't plan that either.
Oh yeah, you were just born that way. But also,
fortunately for you.
But also, like, she was cute when she met me, but like, I made her fine.
I mean,
for real.
We could say that it's pretty reciprocal. I give y'all a small before and after, and then you can decide whether who made the biggest glow up, me or him. Who made the biggest glow up? I just want to know. Come here, Kane. Let's see how good my dog is. Let's see how good my dog is. Kane, come here. That's how good my dog is. Come here. That's
Bro, we loud. I just recognize.
yeah, we loud always. Yeah, we always loud. That's us for sure.